What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be getting some more wraps done onto my friend's G35. In today's video we are going to be wrapping the roof in 3M carbon fiber. I already got everything cleaned, got the sunroof opened, and I got that little wind splitter thing, whatever they're called, taped down so it's not in the way. And then we'll do a comparison, because as you guys know, I wrapped my roof in carbon fiber as well, except one thing, my roof is cheap material, his is going to be in good material. We are redoing mine. I'm going to be ordering it soon, probably when we're done with his, and I can start focusing on mine. So we'll do a little side-by-side of the difference in how it lays down, quality, how it lays down, bubbles, no bubbles, because as you guys already know, if you haven't seen this video, check it out. There are some bubbles. It's just, that's what you get for getting cheap material. It's really hard to lay down, extremely tacky. So pretty much this whole video is going to be a time lapse, but for those of you guys who don't know, we began wrapping my friend's G35. As you can see, it's all white. We got all of this done. That's going to be carbon, like I said, to go with his trunk and his hood. Everything's wrapped, coming along, and wait, what's that? The reason why it's split, for those of you guys who don't know, is because this half we wrapped black. So I did order the wrap. I needed more, and it's going to be pretty much split right down the middle, and then carbon fiber all down the middle. So it's going to be really cool. So if you guys like today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Hopefully you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. I know I'm definitely working very, very hard to get these videos cracked out for you guys. And without further ado, let's just hop straight into it. So there it is, fully wrapped and everything. Got everything all nice in there. Nice in there. First off, quality. As in how it looks. So here's how this one looks. To me, it looks more like a sticker, like printed. Okay, and then you come to mine. It's a lot darker. You could sort of feel texture. It looked, to me, in my opinion, it sort of looks like more like an actual carbon fiber. It's a lot glossier in my opinion. Okay. The weave on this looks a lot bigger than mine. I mean, they're both completely different. This does look really good though. Don't get me wrong. It's sort of, see, mine looks more like this, I feel like, but the color is more like this. Laying it down, this is just night and day difference. There's literally maybe like tiny little bubbles, but like nothing. It's perfect. Mine, there's bubbles like just all over the place. So I mean, the quality of this is a lot better. Don't get me wrong. It really, really is. It lays easier. The quality is better. I think I like the look of mine more. But yeah, so that's how it looks. Looks really good though. Has a good gloss to it. Alright. So that's that. So now I'm going to get the door handles removed because he wants these in carbon as well. And then the gas cap, I actually wrapped it white. I couldn't remember what he wanted. So that's going to be, so door handles carbon, the gas cap is going to be carbon, and then the bottom diffuser part in there is going to be carbon. A few hours later, we are at the end of this video. I got everything done and ordered the wrap for the rest of the car as well, which you guys will end up seeing in another video. But let me give you a quick rundown on everything that we did. So again, the whole roof is done. And the door handles. So now we have all of this carbon, that carbon, that carbon, and this carbon. Looks good. Got the gas cap carbon. Then there's this side, that's how it's looking. And then, like I said, we still have to do the back, but we have this door handle carbon as well. And I'm really happy, like I happened to make it to where it flows nicely. Same thing on the other side. So yeah, there it is, guys. Alright, well, I gotta get inside and edit a few videos. That way I can keep the daily vlogs coming. I really hope you guys are enjoying them. Comment down below. Leave some positivity in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think of everything. And make sure to leave that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. 4K, here we come, baby. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling confident. Working really, really hard towards it. Hopefully you guys see that. And let's just get one quick last look. Once that side is wrapped black, it's gonna look really good. Alright guys, I hope to catch you all in the next one. Till next time, as always, peace out.